In this video, I want to compare two really powerful marketing tools that any online business can benefit from, HighLevel and ThriveCart. So I'm going to compare HighLevel with ThriveCart across a few important departments, including features, ease of use, pricing, customer support, and much more. So I hope that by the end of this video, you have a good idea of which tool is better for your needs. And for your convenience, I've included links to both platforms in the description of this video so you can follow along and decide which one you want to get started. So let's start by just looking at the website. So this is the HighLevel website and this is the website for ThriveCart. And so let's talk about the features and functionality of each platform, starting with HighLevel. So HighLevel is primarily tailored for marketing agencies and offers a wide range of tools, including CRM functionalities, marketing automation, sales funnels, and extensive analytics. High-level standout features are its white label capabilities, which allows agencies to brand the platform as their own when they offer their services to clients. So it also includes appointment scheduling, social media management, and reputation management, providing a comprehensive toolkit for agency use. Now, ThriveCart, on the other hand, focuses on optimizing the e-commerce checkout process and increasing conversions. So it's a specialized shopping cart platform that offers high converting cart pages, one-click upsell capabilities, affiliate management, and robust analytics. The purpose of ThriveCart is to help businesses grow their income from their existing traffic with the highest converting cart for online businesses. So they include all these pop-ups and upsells within your sales page so that you can actually convert more sales. More of the people that actually land on your page actually end up buying something. So this can make you a lot of money. Let's talk about the ease of use. So this is what the platform looks like for HighLevel. It's very intuitive. Even though HighLevel has so many features, it's simple and easy to manage, even for someone who's new to the marketing space. Whereas same with ThriveCart, it's really intuitive. It's built around the user, and so they've got a very straightforward experience, especially in setting up and customizing the checkout process. It provides pre-built templates and an intuitive setup wizard that actually helps you quickly create optimized checkout pages without really needing any extensive technical knowledge. Now let's talk about the integration capabilities. So HighLevel was built with integration in mind. You can integrate HighLevel seamlessly with a vast range of tools, including major CRM platforms, system gateways, and other marketing platforms as well. And HighLevel also has a really good API, so you can use that to connect to pretty much anything. And some of the popular tools that HighLevel can easily integrate with include Salesforce and HubSpot, which are CRM softwares, Stripe, PayPal, and Square for payments, and other miscellaneous tools and services like ClickFunnels, MailChimp, Zapier, and many more. Chances are, if you're using some software in your marketing business, you can integrate it pretty easily with HighLevel. ThriveCart is also just right up there at the top in terms of integrability with other software tools and platforms. It integrates really well with major payment gateways, email marketing platforms, membership site builders, and webinar platforms. Its focus is on e-commerce integration, and that ensures that users can seamlessly connect their checkout processes with other vital business systems. So for payment processors, you can connect with Stripe and PayPal, Apple, Google Pay, and so many others. In terms of notification platforms, they've got Slack and Google Sheets. In terms of autoresponders, so like email autoresponders and stuff, you've got ConvertKit and Aweber, ActiveCampaign, Drip, HubSpot. You've got all these big companies here that you can integrate with easily. You've got Zapier, which is like the king. So if you can connect to Zapier has integrations for pretty much everything. So ThriveCart is really killing it with integration. I think it's actually even better than HighLevel. Now let's talk about the pricing structure. So HighLevel offers a relatively simple pricing plans. So they've got a starter and unlimited. Starter is for $97 a month and unlimited is for $297 a month. Now starter actually includes everything you need to make your business successful. So all the tools to capture leads, to turn them into customers. You've got a website builder, pipelines, online booking systems. You can actually contact an unlimited number of people, which is really not common for their cheapest plan. Like most of these software softwares, if they have a cheap plan, then they're going to limit the number of users and contacts. But with HighLevel, even with $97 a month, you can get unlimited. If you do upgrade to the $297 per month, then you get everything in starter. Plus, you get the API access, you get more sub accounts for as many clients as you want, and you get a branded desktop app, which I guess all of these are kind of optional. Starter is already everything you need to have a very successful online business. And the great thing about this pricing plan is that they offer a 14-day free trial across both of their subscriptions. So you can literally test everything the platform has to offer completely for free for 2 weeks before you actually make any commitment. Now, ThriveCart is actually really famous for their special lifetime offer. And so if you click this button right here, you can see that they have a one-time payment of $495 and you can upgrade to the Pro for an extra $195, but it's not necessary. And so if you get Pro though, then you also get a powerful affiliate center, you get simple sales tax functionality, you've got contracts, client usage rights, custom domain name functionality. But even if you don't get the Pro, like just the regular version itself gives you everything you need to integrate the capabilities of ThriveCart, so that if people land on your checkout pages for whatever you're selling, then they're going to be much more likely to end up buying the thing and you're going to make a lot more money. So it's really unique in this space that it's a one-time payment, because all these software companies love to have subscriptions so they can keep making money off of you. If you are serious about your business and you want to keep costs to a minimum, then ThriveCart, with the Pro would be perfect, because it's just a one-time payment and you get it completely like unlocked for life. So ThriveCart is pretty amazing. I don't see a lot of other companies doing this. If you were to use HighLevel solely for its funnel optimizing tools, then that would cost you almost $1,200 a year to use the cheapest plan. Whereas compared to ThriveCart with just $495, this is already less than half of what it would cost you, and that's just for 1 year. So it would save you a lot of money in the long term if you decide to use ThriveCart. As far as customer service goes, both of them are really good. Go HighLevel, you can go on the website directly. If you're signed in, you click the question mark and then you can live chat or contact customer support through the phone. Whereas with ThriveCart, you can submit tickets, and so not quite as good as HighLevel because you can't just contact them through the phone, but they do have this bot right here which can answer a bunch of your questions, and you can submit tickets and they will respond to you relatively quickly. ThriveCart's focus on customer satisfaction is evident in their proactive approach. They actually keep improving the platform based on the feedback that they get from their customers, which HighLevel also does, but probably not to the same level because ThriveCart is more niche down and they've got more of a focus on one thing, so they really take their customer ratings seriously. But now you've probably got a good understanding of both HighLevel and ThriveCart. Let's see what their customers actually have to say about them by looking at their reviews on Trustpilot. So HighLevel's killing it with a 4.9 out of 5 with over 2,000 reviews on Trustpilot, and it's a verified company. You can see that almost all of the reviews are 5 stars with almost nothing below it, and even recent reviews as early as 6 days ago, 5 days ago, 4 days ago, 3 days ago, just all 5 stars. People love HighLevel. It's one of the best all-in-one platforms in the world in my opinion. Now let's look at the ratings for ThriveCart. So ThriveCart's rating is quite a bit lower, but they only have 40 reviews, which is 3.3. The company is verified. Most of them are 5-star reviews, but some of them are bad, I guess. I would say take this with a grain of salt, just because the number of reviews is very low compared to HighLevel, and the company is also much newer. So people that tend to leave reviews are people that didn't like a product. Most of the people that leave reviews are frustrated customers, not people that love it. So take this with a grain of salt. I think ThriveCart is still a really, really popular platform and a lot of people really like it. But of course, as far as reviews goes, HighLevel is clearly dominating. So overall, the decision between HighLevel and ThriveCart should be based on your specific business needs and preferences. But some of my general recommendations are that if you are a marketing agency looking for a comprehensive platform and you want like a CRM, email marketing, social media management, white labeling, you want everything in one, then HighLevel is definitely the better choice because it's all in one, everything you need for one platform, and it's also not that expensive, but it is a monthly subscription, so that will add up over time. Whereas if you're focused on optimizing your e-commerce sales with advanced advanced checkout features, one-click upsells, and strong affiliate marketing tools, ThriveCart would be better. If you already have a business and you're selling like a digital course or software or something, and you want to increase your conversions and make more money without doing more work, ThriveCart is just a no-brainer. It increases your conversions on your checkout pages like no tomorrow. It's an industry-leading software, and the return on investment is insanely high. If you buy the regular ThriveCart plan for $4.95, and let's say because of their upsells and their pop-ups and their tools for increasing conversions on your checkout pages, let's say just one extra person buys your $1,000 course or your $500 digital product, you've already made your money back and then some. And this is a one-time fee. It's not a recurring subscription. So you can see that the ROI using ThriveCart can be extremely high if you already have a business and you just want to optimize the conversions. So I've included the links to both platforms in the description box of this video so you can check them out. And if you have any questions or concerns, just let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.